This is how you're going to get a Google Workspace certification with Google Cloud. Start by visiting the official Google Cloud certification page. The exam you need is the Google Workspace Administrator certification. You're going to register through Google's testing partner, Criterion, pay the fee, and then schedule your online exam. Or you can also access it from here. You can just click on Start Free, and then you're going to have to log in or to sign into your account. It will take you to the Google Cloud Console, and you're just going to have to complete all of your account information, including the payment methods. Now, the test is proctored, which means someone watches via webcam to ensure it's fair. It covers topics like Gmail, Drive, calendar, admin tools, and security settings. Don't panic though, it's designed for people who use Workspace regularly. So to prepare, use Google's free study guides and learning paths. They walk you through common admin scenarios with practice labs and quizzes. Once you feel confident, just book the exam, and then when you pass, you will earn a digital badge you can showcase on LinkedIn, your resume, or even share with employers. Now, why bother? Certification proves your skills. It can open up job opportunities and shows you're serious about IT or admin roles. Now, if this made the process clear instead of scary, tap like. If this is also helpful for you, just click on subscribe to learn more about the channel.